Okay, hello guys. I have this Alpha 2 Max projector. I'm going to unbox it. Okay, it's for movies and you can show it to everyone. Brought it from Amazon for about 24,000. Okay, so Alpha 2 Max projector will connect on a Fire TV stick and we will I'll show you as well. So let's see how it is. Reviews in Amazon, they are great. So this is the projector. Too good, right Aditya?
Yes, sir.
He is my cameraman. So I'll just unbox this. This it goes. Unboxing. Show from this side otherwise. Okay, just hold on. So it's opening like this. This is a budget projector. Okay, I guess it opens like this. Just a moment. Yeah. So this is the main projector. Quite heavy. Quite heavy. So Wzatco. So I'll install this for the first time. I'll just fix it. This is the front lens. I have to just open it up. So these are the in HDMI, USB and all. Quite sleek. And what do we get? We get a remote control, right? And then the HDMI cable, and then the power cable. And then we have to clean up the lens. I think not needed now, but we'll just keep it. So I'll connect this to my Fire TV stick. And we'll just see how it works. Okay, so let's stop the video now. We'll connect to Fire TV stick and we'll just see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, the screen in bright, tube light. It's like this. Now I'll show you with the lights off. Wait, with the lights off, how it is. So it's not properly adjusted, but as you can see, the screen quite good. Some content from GS Cinema we can play. I hope I'll not get some movie type. Just the starting. Let's see how it is.
Movies that can be watched. Right?
Movies is definitely with the screen, the more better. Cricket is going on or what? If cricket is going on, live cricket also. Okay. Okay, cricket. Let's see. How? Okay. Stops 47. Let's see how. Let's see.
Ewoks. Kristen
So
stops.
this is
Off the edge. Too far.
without a screen.
Nobody's gonna
This is
stop
without
that.
the screen. So if the screen is there, then you can imagine.
Valuable, even if fortuitous.
Right?
Definitely fortuitous.
Okay. Okay, now the starting of the movie. Okay, let's see. Just the starting, how it comes. Okay, let's see Born to Fly. Born to Fly, the starting, let's see. What? Sky ko scene है, let's see Telugu, Hindi and Telugu. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Quite good. Huh?
Without screen, if it is this
Without
good,
screen,
then
it is quality
with
then
screen
not.
that will be amazing.
See,
But yes, we need sounds in.
sound is required.
If I have to give a good review about this, I would say the screen quality
Ah.
is amazing.
Ah.
But yes, for home viewing, For home viewing, it is amazing.
Right.
This much sound will do. But yes, if you have to use this projector in a classroom, maybe the sound might not be sufficient.
But there is enough input option for the sound.
Oh,
So you can put HDMI and all, anything you can put. So that is it. Okay, thank you. And hope you like this. Just show this once. It's in full. And you can show this side also. Yeah. Okay, come. Go slow. Come. Come, Isaac.
Sorry, sir.